How to fix SmartThings app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the SmartThings app is not working. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for SmartThings. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After it has been updated, the glitches will be fixed. Now open the app and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, open up Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this list of applications, you want to search for SmartThings. Tap on that and here you want to tap on the storage option. Go ahead and tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all of the application's data. Once that is done, open the app and check if your problem has been resolved. If it is not resolved, simply uninstall the application. After it has been uninstalled, reinstall it from Play Store, and in this way you can fix the SmartThings not working issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.